Okay. If you missed class today, I forgot to record the class, but basically we just did paragraph writing practice. We used an acronym called TICA, and TICA, I'm going to share my screen with you and type it out for you so that you can see. Okay, ignore the writing up above, but TICA, it looks like this. That's the structure I want you to use for paragraphs. And it stands for topic sentence. Your topic sentence should be an argument. So it should be argumentative. It shouldn't just be factual. It shouldn't be like the Scarlet Letter has, a woman named Hester in it. That's a fact. It's true. The Scarlet Letter is about romance between Hester and Dimmesdale. That's true. It's not an argument. You can turn it into an argument by saying that the Scarlet Letter argues that the kind of love that Hester and Dimmesdale had was problematic because it was so secretive. Then it becomes an argument. The I is for introduce the topic, introduce the argument, kind of. It's hard for me to frame this into literary analysis, so excuse me, but introducing the argument means that basically you are just explaining the complexities of the topic sentence. So hopefully your topic sentence does not only need one sentence to describe its meaning. Hopefully it's more complex than that, and it needs more sentences to expand. The Q is for quotation. You need some sort of direct evidence in your paragraph. And the A is for analysis. This is the bulk of your paragraph. So I'm going to put this up here, pause the video and read this paragraph. All right, a couple things I want you to notice. I've got an argument here. The active public involvement alienates individuals. That's an argument that I feel like this text has. I explain what that argument means here. I kind of introduce my quote a little to make it flow into my paragraph. I don't want to just like drop a quote in there. And then I've got my quote, and you'll notice that I only quote one or two words, and then the rest is me paraphrasing in my own words. And I think that flows better. So as a teacher, that's one of the things I'm looking for. And then all of this is analysis about how these words help to prove this argument. All right, so using that example, you're going to write a paragraph now, and the paragraph is going to be about prisons. So you're just going to use, I'm writing my paragraph, I didn't mention this, about just the first sentence of Scarlet Letter. You're going to use just the first chapter, so the prison door, and you're going to answer the argument, what does this book think the function of prisons is? That is not the best worded way of putting that, but basically you're saying like the book has some sort of argument about the benefit of prisons in a society. So what is that argument? And then you're going to write a paragraph about it. And then you're going to comment on your own paragraph. So you're going to comment on each part of this, and you're going to write about what could improve in your own paragraph and what works really well in your own paragraph. You're going to take a picture of that, or I guess you could type this, and you're going to turn it into the Canvas assignment for participation points. All right, let me know if you have any questions. You can always reach me through email.